Hi, I'm Shashank. I'm a recent graduate from KLA Technological University, Hubli. Today I'm here to tell about recently I got placed in the company called Ducom Instruments. So Emertxe helped me so much in getting placed and the interview process went very smooth. So I was well prepared for the interview from the Emertxe side of so Emertxe provided me all the skills like Linux systems, C programming, data structures, and my microcontrollers and all other things like Linux internals. So I was well prepared and mentors were really helpful and projects here were very amazing. I almost completed 2 to 3 projects in each of the modules. So that helped me so much to get again the knowledge. More than getting placed in some company or getting the job, we will learn the things very much clearly. Whatever we learn in the college, we will learn the things very much clearly when we come to the Emertxe. So we are going to learn it practically and mentors are really helpful. I would like to thank to all the class mentors, lab mentors, placement team and all the other staff members of the Emertxe for helping me all the time and supporting me all the time. I'll recommend everyone, especially from all the branches. I am specially from mechanical branch, though I got placed, and you will get the number of opportunities to attend the interviews. Thank you.